What's up everyone, Cole Schondeck here, giving you a little tech tip of how to install your grips the quick, cheap, and easy way. You're going to need some new grips, a razor blade, spray paint that you can get for super cheap at Walmart or a hardware store, some wire twisting pliers that also lock, you can get that at a hardware store or your local bike shop, and get some safety wire from your local bike shop as well. Get some thick, heavy-duty safety wire. So first off, you're just gonna take your razor blade, poke it out, take the end of your grip, poke a hole in it, right into the end, both grips. Now what that's gonna do is alleviate any air buildup when you slide it on the bars so it doesn't try and push it back off. Next, you're gonna take your spray paint. We've got the throttle side grip. Shake up your spray paint, put a little bit on to the actual tube itself, a little bit inside the grip. Don't go too crazy. Maybe let it air dry for a second. Blowing it, whatever. Then slide it on. You want to twist this thing as you slide it on. Make sure you get it completely paint all around it. The paint dries real quick, so you got to be pretty fast about it. Get your grip to where you want it on the bar. Push it all the way over. And boom, it's on. So then take your safety wire, make sure you give yourself a decent amount, a good 8-10 inches of it, so you can double wrap the grip. Wrap it around the grip twice, and then have you're gonna tie it off and twist it towards the bottom. Then you're going to grab it with the wire pliers, lock it in, twist it. Now you got to get it tight, but not too tight because you'll break it. So you twist it with the tool, and then the last little bit I like to hand twist. Bam, it's in there super tight. Then you go in with the wire cutters and you cut off most of the excess. And then you fold over that little sharp bit into the rubber of the grip so it ain't gonna grab your hand when you're riding. I do that in 2 spots, one on the inside, one about an inch in from the very outside. Call it good for both grips. These grips are complete, ready to go. I use spray paint because it sticks really good. It's super cheap and inexpensive. I can probably do 100 or 200 grips with that single can. And it's easy to carry around in the tote, and I can if my grip twists at all, I can easily redo it, and it dries super fast, so I'd be able to go ride this bike right now, no issues. So hope you enjoyed, hope it helps out. See you on the next one. Thank you.